very important when you get headers to make sure they properly fit or see what obstacles may be in the way before you go taking something apart or changing anything, especially once the motor's set in right. You want to make sure you slide your hands in, make sure you got everything clearing. If you need to clearance something, I'm not saying dent them, but sometimes a little hammer smack will buy you, just enough room to clear. But with the case with this car, I didn't know if any headers fit. I got a set of Mustang headers from Holly. That's what they had on the menu, and that's what I ordered, and they actually clear, minus a small little clearance indent on both sides. Did have to take the motor back out and raise it up to clear, but I understood that going in that was probably going to be the case. So yeah, just a couple small clearance indents to clear the cross member. Other than that, fit like a dream. Everything is perfectly centered and everything else. With that engine back down, let's check it out. Is these hooker headers that Holly sent over. They are made for a Mustang, but should clear everything under here. You can see how much room I have with the 302. Pretty good lot of room, so they should clear. And then the front of the motor will be getting regasketed. I've already started taking that loose. Told you I was gonna get cleaned up and painted, so no big deal. Box, full length headers, gaskets, stickers, and we know what we do with stickers. We put them on cabinets. That's perfect there. We'll put one over here. There's an empty spot right there. Perfect. Back to the headers. So it comes with hardware and everything you see fit. Working back at the shop today, we have the motor mounts, correct motor mounts in, and it is bolted in. The trans is still yet to come, but we'll get that squared away. Both sides are in, so now we can tackle some of this other stuff. Clearance that one section right there to clear that motor mount perch. No big deal. And the same thing with this side. We had to give it a small little clearancing ding just to clear that perch. Other than that, fits great. It's gonna sound good. No other issues. On, engine is locked in place. The trans is not completely there, but we're getting closer. As you can tell, there's a very slim gap between the perch and the headers, but it is a gap nonetheless. Probably doesn't even show up on camera. Valve covers and everything will get replaced on this front end, obviously. Waiting on some other stuff to come in. So right now, this is where the front end's staying. Valve covers get swapped out, sniper up top. And then the billet sniper piece as well will be in soon. So all this is going to get pretty much gone except for the block heads, etc. and the intake, keeping the intake. But lots of room to work with. Again, Mustang headers work, just have to clearance a little bit. I'll have to wipe them down from just getting them in there, but we're going to keep going.